Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Spring Boot using JWT and refresh tokens, full guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of authenticating with Spring Boot using JWT and refresh tokens. First, let's set up our Spring Boot application. Create a new Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer. In the dependencies, include Spring Web, Spring Security, and Spring Data JPA. After initializing the project, open it in your IDE. Next, set up a database connection in your application.properties file. Specify the URL, username, and password for your database. Once your database is configured, create the necessary entity classes. Start with a user entity to represent the users in your system. Include fields like ID, username, password, and roles. Next, create a user repository interface extending JPA repository. This will allow us to interact with the user database easily. Now, let's move on to the security configuration. Create a security config class and annotate it with @configuration and @enable web security. Within this class, extend web security configure or adapter. Override the configure method to set up custom authentication. You need to create a custom user details service to load user-specific data. Implement this service and override the load user by username method. Ensure this method retrieves user details based on the username. Next, we will add JWT support. Create a JWT util class to handle token generation and validation. Implement methods to create tokens and extract information from them. You will also need a JWT request filter class. This filter will intercept requests to validate the JWT. In the security config class, add the filter in the configure method. Next, let's implement the authentication endpoint. Create an auth controller with an endpoint for user login. This controller will receive the username and password from the request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.